I usually cut off my videos after the song is done, but this is actually a different video, different song, whatever you want to call it. This is actually the third upload that I'm doing tonight, which is a record in itself. However, this song is different because as soon as I learn my songs, I put them up. The way the song is different is it's been a month since I've wrote, created, composed a song, whatever you want to call it, since I don't read music, can't really say wrote. However, this song is special to me because it's a dedication song that is also a memorial to my grandfather and my aunt, who sadly passed away last month. Now, I know most of my original compositions don't get that many views. I think the most views is 6 on one of my videos of those. And most people usually only watch my Neo piano cover that I did a few months ago. However, I felt like I should put this video up, whether it gets views, likes, dislikes, or whatever. It depends on the viewing type of whoever wants to watch it. If you're watching this video and you're still listening to me talk, I thank you for your support, and I hope that you'll continue to support my endeavors and my success and my failures and everything else. If not, then that's your choice as a human being, and I still thank you for your time.